when NASA presented a hypothetical situation devised by the Planetary Defense Coordination Office to nearly 100 government representatives. The findings highlighted several critical gaps in the plan to combat an asteroid heading towards Earth. According to a NASA slide presentation, space officials have limited readiness to quickly implement needed space missions, and the methods to inform the public about an imminent disaster are not fully developed. Participants included representatives from federal agencies like the State Department and international bodies such as the UN's Office for Outer Space Affairs. Of these participants, 33% believed humanity was not prepared to launch a space mission to prevent an asteroid impact, and 19% indicated that reconnaissance missions were not ready. Kelly Fast, NASA's acting planetary defense officer, emphasized the importance of these exercises in preparing government agencies for a potential future asteroid strike. In the unlikely event we ever face a scenario like this, it won't be the first time that anybody's talked about how to treat this, she said. The exercise, organized by NASA and the Federal Emergency Management Agency, took place at the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory in April. It was the fifth test aimed at assessing authorities' readiness to defend Earth from space threats, and the first to include international collaborators on planetary defense. In the hypothetical scenario, an asteroid is set to collide with Earth in 2038. The collision would have a 47% chance of affecting more than 1,000 people and an 8% chance of affecting over 1 million. Potential impact sites included cities across the US, Europe, and Africa, such as Washington, Dallas, Madrid, and Algiers. Participants were not informed about the asteroid's size, composition, or long-term trajectory. Additionally, further observations would hypothetically be delayed by at least 7 months as the asteroid passed behind the Sun, representing a critical loss of time. Fast noted that even with 14 years to prepare, agencies would need to act swiftly. When you talk about planning a mission, any kind of spacecraft mission, it doesn't happen on a dime, she said. Even though 14 years sounds like a long time, it actually might not be when you think of developing missions. Currently, the only tested method to deflect an asteroid is kinetic impact, which involves crashing a spacecraft into the asteroid to alter its trajectory. In 2022, NASA successfully demonstrated this by crashing a spacecraft into Dimorphos, a small moonlet orbiting the asteroid Didymos, shortening its orbit by 32 minutes. However, Fast pointed out that the effectiveness of this method depends on the asteroid's characteristics. A single kinetic impactor might work for a smaller asteroid, but not for something much larger, she said. The presentation also revealed concerns about federal funding and the decision-making process. Moreover, the ability to gather more information about the incoming asteroid by flying a spacecraft close to it would be limited. Coordinating the release of information to the public would also pose challenges. Misinformation and disinformation would have to be dealt with, the presentation warned. One participant emphasized the importance of early communication to maintain public trust, even if it made scientists and lawyers uncomfortable. Despite these challenges, Fast reassured that scientists and agencies are actively collaborating to develop strategies for a potential asteroid collision. This is actually a good thing to be talking through this, she said. It's a chance to explore these possibilities and our own readiness and to identify how we can do better in the future. Subscribe for more videos like this. See you in next video.